Hey there, what's up guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel to support this channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss mainly about altcoins. So we are going to discuss the top, we can say some of the altcoins from the top 10 list and which is having the largest market cap. So in this video, we are going to discuss large cap altcoins that can perform very well in the coming year and also in this particular bull run. So as we discussed in the previous videos, we are approaching the alt season soon. So some of the altcoins will give you tremendous gain, guys. That's a major thing. That tremendous gains will be lesser in terms of the larger cap altcoins and will be more in terms of smaller cap altcoins. So first we will be discussing in this video, we are discussing the top 10 coins. From the top 10 coins, we have picked some coins and we're going to discuss this one. So this large cap altcoins will perform. It's a safer bet, we can say, but it will perform well in the coming Bitcoin bull run, but the excess will be comparatively low in term when we compare to the low cap altcoins. So that's a major thing you have to understood. And so in this we have chosen 5 coins from the top 10 coins. We are going to discuss that one, and we are going to discuss one important news that has been that is faced by the Ripple. That is XRP. XRP is falling down. So it's an SEC. There is lawsuit Ripple. So we are going to discuss that one, and it is very much important for the XRP holders, because you should be aware, and because more number of exchanges will delist XRP soon. So already it's happening. So if you are an XRP holder, it is very much important. You have to see this video at the up to the end of this video. So that's a major thing. So we'll be doing market analysis, and we are going to discuss the major alt from the top 10, that is the larger cap altcoins. So in the upcoming videos, we'll be discussing other small cap altcoins. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. If we see the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance, we have Bitcoin 2.4% up, Ethereum 0.6% up, XRP minus 27.1% down. It's because of the SEC lawsuit, so we will be discussing that one. And Litecoin 2.5% up, Bitcoin Cash minus 5.4% down, Binance Coin 0.7% up, Chainlink minus 1.7% down, Polkadot minus 1.2% down, Cardano minus 5.1% down. So quite sideways movement for overall top 10 coins. And if we see top gainers in terms of past 24 hours, we have Synthetix Network 19.1% up, and 7 days 36.1% up. Zilliqa is performing well. You can see past 24 hours it is 17% up, in past 7 days 68.6% up, and Swissborg 12% up in terms of 24 hours, and we have past 7 days 101.5% up. So some of the altcoins that are performing very well, and you can see over here in Bitcoin season also some of the altcoins are performing well. We have Synthetix Network, main DeFi, so one of the DeFi coins, so it's performing very well. Zilliqa, it's also performing well in terms of blockchain. It's an important currency this particular blockchain is doing, or what to say, sharding. It has sharding, and it's one of the important project, and it is now 17% up. So other than that, not much gainers. If we see top losers in terms of past 24 hours, XRP, guys, XRP, because of this particular issues going on. And in terms of UMA, it is minus 16.1% down, Waves minus 12.1% down, Elrond minus 11.7% down. So some of the coins are a little bit red, you can see over here, but it not that much. It's below 20, but you can see still some of the losers are there, and XRP is a huge loser, guy. So that's a major thing. Now let's discuss about the major projects that we are going to discuss. So first we have chosen 5 altcoins in the top 10 rankings. So we are going to discuss that one by one. So before going into that, let's see about the particular altcoin season index. And you can see now in the previous video while we discussing, this was little bit higher and it is nearing altcoin season, but it now again went into Bitcoin season. So you can see over here it's again dropping downwards. Maybe it can form a big double bottom like this, so W, and it can break up, or else this may be a small drop that can also happen because of this XRP will be all XRP also will be in the particular list. So because of XRP and other coins are dropping and XRP is dropping heavily, so that will have major impact on altcoin season, the indicator. But soon we will be having an altcoin season. So you can see over here it's the best accumulation zone. You can accumulate further, and this drop will be maybe a temporary drop like this one. So we had a drop, then we went up. So we had a drop, then we will be going up soon. So altcoin season is approaching, guys. We can expect start of Jan and February will be having tremendous gain in altcoins, where ETH will perform. ETH will lead the show. That's the main thing. So first, we are going to now. That's all about major thing in altcoin season. Now let's discuss about this top 5 altcoins in the top 10 category. So the 5 picks from the top 10 altcoins. The first, obviously, Ethereum. So we can't avoid Ethereum. Ethereum is very bullish. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. So I have been discussing about why I'm bullish on Ethereum in one particular video. So there are lots of things happening. Staking going on. EIP 1559 is going to be implemented. So these things will reduce the supply, and that will make Ethereum so scarce. So because of that, we can expect a huge price movements in Ethereum and also one of the important thing is still we are 57.5% down from all-time high, guys. So now Bitcoin broke the all-time high and it is staying above previous all-time high, but still Ethereum is way down from all-time high. So still it is 57.5% down from all-time high. It has to go up further, and I'm expecting maybe in Jan or Feb, we can expect a huge bull run in terms of Ethereum. We can expect Ethereum will lead the crypto market and Bitcoin will follow. That can happen anytime soon. So that's a major thing. So I'm one of the first speakers, Ethereum. So we can discuss about the Ethereum technical analysis now. In terms of Ethereum technical analysis, in terms of weekly time frame, we are still bullish. You can see over here this is the major trend line that has been started from $100. So it has been started from $100. So we went up, then dropped, then went up, then dropped drop back to this particular trend. Then again we are moving up. So overall trend is bullish. And one more thing we have to consider is 20-week moving average. That is mainly very much important for Bitcoin and Ethereum also. So you can see over here we are getting support from these levels also, 20-week moving average. So for now 20-week moving average is staying at $454. So quite sideways movement in Ethereum will bring soon. It will be maybe next week, maybe at the end of next week it will be at $480 or $500. Soon it can be reached this level where we will be getting support. And in terms of support, I have been discussing this one. This is a major support zone where that is the $500 zone. So in terms of downside, this is the major support area, $500 zone. But we haven't broken this trend line itself, the smaller time frame trend line. So let's see about the smaller time frame. In terms of daily time frame, we have been forming this particular trend line, which is started from $368, and you can see the price is respecting this particular trend line. And you can see we are still staying above this trend line. So in order for the trend to change, near-term trend, not the long-term trend, in order for the short-term trend to change it to bearish, we have to break this particular downward trend line, upward trend line. And 4R we can see clearly. But what I'm thinking is, it looks like we have been discussing about this particular triangle, and we have been traveling below this, and we broke finally. Then we couldn't stay above this particular triangle, and then we drop back to this triangle. But you can see over here we get nice support from this trend line. You can see over here we touch this, then we went up, and this will be acting as support zone, that is $595. So then we dropped. Then also we are getting rejection from this level. It looks like we have formed another major thing is we have formed one double bottom, that is a W pattern. And you can see over here it looks like we are forming double bottom, but it has to, now for this to continue, we have to the price of the Ethereum has to move upwards. So if we are moving upward like this, then once we break this neckline, it would be a greater opportunity, and it would be a greater, this would be acting as a neckline. So once if you are forming this particular W pattern, and if you are breaking, we can easily because if you are breaking this level, what it is mentioning is, you can see over here we have been a downward trending line, and this particular trend, this we can take it this as a triangle. So this trend line, this particular short term downward trend line is also broken, which is changing the trend. First thing, in terms of short term, it is changing the trend to upwards. Again, we are also breaking this particular W neckline. This is the second thing. So these are the major thing, and we are also breaking this particular triangle. So three things are coinciding. It's like we are having coincidence. So, and we are also forming this particular double bottom. So these are the important things that is making Ethereum more bullish. And if you are breaking this particular area, we can say this is a confluence area. So if we are breaking this, Ethereum will be tremendously bullish, guys. So again, if you are breaking this, we will be having a target of $800. Soon we will be reaching $800, and we don't have much time. You can see over here, this apex is going. We are having the apex. Maybe it would end soon. We can see over here, if you are placing this also, this trend line also, it would end around 26th of December. 26th, yeah, around 26th of December. So we don't have much time for Ethereum. We have to either break upwards or we have to either break downwards. That's the major thing. If we are breaking downwards, the next target would be this area, $500. It's a huge area, but in terms of shortest target, which is like a shorter support, we have is at $540. So $540 would be acting as support, because we have formed W pattern. So this would be one of the support, and next support would be this area if we are breaking this particular trend line downwards. So anything can happen. That's a major thing. So if you are breaking upwards, we are tremendously bullish in terms of Ethereum, because we have lots of things happening, lots of things intersecting. You can see this trend line, this particular neckline, and we are breaking this W pattern, and also we are breaking this long-term triangle. So these are the things are happening. So we can expect the price can go directly to 800. In terms of downwards, this is the resistance zone. So support zones, major is $530, $540. The next project we are going to see is Litecoin. So Litecoin, in terms of fundamentals, I'm not that much interested in terms of fundamentals, but you can see the Litecoin has been treated, it has been climbed as a silver in crypto. Like we have gold and silver in commodities, and here in crypto, Bitcoin will be treated as a gold and Litecoin will be treated as a silver. So in terms of in that narrative, we can expect a huge pump in Litecoin, and we have seen quite a lot of movement during the past weeks. While Bitcoin is moving, you can see over here, Litecoin jumped from $50 to it made a high of $114. So that's a major thing. So in terms of fundamentals, I'm not bullish on Litecoin, but you can say we have fundamentals. So in terms of pumping and in terms of Bitcoin bull run, this will perform well, guys. This will perform well because it is treated as a silver. So that's a major thing. And still we are down from minus 69% down from all-time high. The all-time high is $360. And let's see about this particular technical analysis for Litecoin. For Litecoin, if we see the technical analysis, I can share it from this weekly chart. So weekly, we broken this particular downward trend line. That's the first thing. And we broke now, actually, you can see, not now, 1 week ago, maybe 2 weeks before, you can see we have been getting rejection, and finally we broke that. That went from $78 to $122. That's a major thing. And now, in terms of daily time frame, the same thing, nothing much changed, but you can see it. This is a trend. We have the trend now. We have the uptrend now. So this is the bull trend. We are following this trend quite nicely in terms of Litecoin. So any drop would bring this price to maybe $87. In terms of support, I'm saying $90 would be a greater support area. In terms of TA, you can see this would be an important support area, or else this trend line will be acting as an important support area. That's a major thing about Litecoin. And also I can share 4R. In terms of 4R, it looks like we are forming some triangle. So this particular triangle can broke. This is a symmetrical triangle you can see over here. In terms of shorter time frame, 4R, this is one of the symmetrical triangle. And if we are breaking upwards, the target would be, if you are breaking upwards, the target would be around $140. So this is the major thing in terms of Litecoin. If you are breaking upwards, the target would be $140, and we have to check whether any resistance is staying over there. And you can see over here that next resistance is $140. That's the major thing, guys. So we can see over here, this is our next resistance, and this is our target, which is greater prediction. You can see over here, if we are breaking upwards, we can expect a price target of $140, which is the next important resistance. So this is from this particular target. And if you are breaking downwards, I think we will be coinciding, we will be correctly, we can see we will be reaching this particular level, this trend line. That's a major thing. So if we are breaking downwards, the next the downward target would be around $80. That's a major thing. And also we have important support at $90 also. That's a major thing. This will be acting as support if you are breaking heavily, and if you are for attaining this particular target, and $80 would be a reasonable area, because that is the upward trend line, long-term upward trend line. We'll be getting some rejection over here. So this is mainly for Litecoin. I'm bullish on Litecoin for this particular bull trend, and not fundamentally, but in terms of in terms of gains. That's all. And next coin we are going to see is Binance coin. So this is one of the important coin in terms of, I'm very bullish on this particular coin, because it's an exchange coin. There are lots of exchange coins out there, but Binance is they are doing good business. Actually, they have been doing lots of things, and there are lots of pairs with Binance coin. There we have Binance Smart Chain, so everything is there. So that's a major thing, where BNB will be acting as a major currency for Binance Smart Chain. So lots of things going in terms of Binance. So I am bullish on this particular exchange coin, guys, because this is very much huge development and huge business are going on. So Binance coin, and now we can see over here the all-time high is $40, around $40, and we are making now, actually we are moving upwards, and we are almost near to the previous all-time high that is happened during the June of 2019. So that's a major thing. And in terms of BNB, if we see the technical analysis, so it's quite bullish actually. BNB, you can see in terms of daily chart, we have been following this particular, and you can see it started from $0.23. That is during September of 2017. It went to 2.9, then dropped to $6.6. So it's following the you can see it doesn't experience any bear market in terms of the trend. You can see it is following a quite nice trend, and now we are forming another trend, short-term trend, bullish trend. You can see over here, it's a long-term trend, bullish trend, but this is a short-term trend. And you can see over here, this is also in a bullish trend, you can see, and it broke almost all the resistance, and next resistance is, you can see it's all-time high. So this is the next resistance. So we can, if you are breaking this upwards, then there will be huge price movement in terms of BNB. So I'm quite bullish on BNB in terms of coming years, in terms of 2021, and in terms of this particular Bitcoin bull trend. So that's a major thing. And if you are breaking upwards, the all-time high would be the resistance, and if in terms of support, this area will be acting as a support, $28. You can see larger rejections over this area. And if you are breaking this particular trend line downwards, the next support would be around $22. So this would be the next support area. If you are breaking downwards, this particular $22 will be the next support area. So that's a major thing, $22. And in terms of upwards, the all-time high is there is around $42. This is the resistance zone. So that's a major update about BNB. And the next coin we are going to see is, and this is the major thing, that is Polkadot. So I am quite bullish on Polkadot ecosystem and this particular coin, and because Polkadot, we know lots of projects are coming, guys. We have seen lots, we have discussed lots of projects, and Polkadot is I'm very bullish because lots of and any blockchain that needs that which is mainly required is the number of projects. So in terms of blockchains, we need a huge number of projects, which is necessary for any ecosystem. So in terms of Polkadot, it attracts lots of projects, and you can see lots of projects are lining up before it going into live. So Polkadot doesn't even went live. Before going into live, we have been seeing lots of projects that are committed to Polkadot ecosystem. So that's a major thing. So I'm quite bullish on this particular Polkadot ecosystem, and also I'm And compared to dot, particular dot token, that is a major native token, compared to dot token, and I'm quite more bullish on the projects that are going to launch on Polkadot. So about that projects we can discuss in the upcoming videos in terms of smaller altcoins. So smaller altcoins, I am expecting huge large number of excess compared to this particular one, and as usual I am saying the large altcoins will perform the excess will be a little bit lower compared to the smaller altcoins. So that's a major thing. So we are now minus 27.5% down from all-time high, and you can see we can do technical analysis of dot. So dot is also in a bull run, not a bull run, but in an uptrend. You can see over here we have been following this particular trend quite nicely, and in terms of resistance we have this one, mainly we having this is the last resistance, that is all-time high $6.6, and the nearby resistance we have is $5.48. So if you are breaking this, and we will be soon approaching to all-time high, that it can happen during this particular altcoin season that is going to come in upcoming weeks. That's a major thing, and you can see over here it's supporting this particular trend line nicely, and we are now getting rejection over here. So I'm expecting this will break soon upwards, and also we can draw a small trend line towards downwards. This will look like a triangle. So if you are breaking this one, I'm expecting the target would be this next resistance. That the thing if you are breaking, it would bring the price above this particular resistance level. This around next resistance level. So that's a major thing. In terms of upward resistance, we have $6.5, and also we have this particular $5.5. If you are breaking this, we have to break this level also, then we can expect the price target of this. And if we are breaking downwards, we have to see the support area. So in terms of support, this particular area will be acting as a support, that is $4.6. That there is no much other support. You can see over here this particular area is a quite important support because it stayed below this level for a quite period of time, and this will be acting as one of the important support in terms of breaking this particular trend line. So that's a major thing about the dot. And the next important coin we are going to see is from the top 5, and the last coin is Cardano. So Cardano, in terms of 2021, I'm bullish because we are having the Goguen phase, that is a smart contract is going to launch, and we are getting lots of news from Cardano also. So we'll be discussing about certain news now that are coming on Cardano, and lots of developments going on in terms of Cardano that will be discussed in a separate video in terms of Cardano, what are the updates going on. So there are lots of updates going on in terms of Cardano, and the major thing is it needs projects. That's a major thing. We know we have discussed about one thing, that Bondly is going to build on Cardano. The home of Bondly is from Polkadot, but it needs more project, guys. That's a major thing. So any small contract platform, like we have Polkadot, before it is going into live, we are having lots of projects. The projects are lining up. So like that, we need projects for Cardano. That's a major thing in order for this particular thing to grow. But in terms of this particular Bitcoin bull run, I'm expecting it will perform very well, because there are lots of news and lots of updates are also going in terms of 2021. So during a bull run and during this particular time, if the team is working hard, and if there are lots of updates going on in a particular ecosystem, that will perform very well during any particular bull run. That's a major thing. And in terms of Cardano, we are in February 2021. Goguen phase is going to launch. So I'm extremely, and 2021 will be I'm expecting it will be a major bullish year for Cardano. That's a major thing, and we are still 87.5% down from all-time high. So that's a major thing. You can see over here it is still 87.5% down from all-time high. So that's a major thing I have to discuss about Cardano. Now let's see about Cardano's technical analysis in terms of ADA USDT. You can see over here in daily time frame, and I think this is what we have been discussing about in the previous videos. It broke this particular triangle, and we went drastically up to $0.17, from $0.10 to $0.17. Now we have dropped, and again you can see this is acting as a trend line. You can see over here, if we extend this one, it is acting as a trend line, or else if we extend this one, it is acting as support. You can see over here. So this is a major thing, and you can see it looks like it is forming an ascending triangle. So you can change this to this level, and you can see soon I think Cardano will break upwards. Soon we can expect the break can happen. You can see over here. So it looks like we have been forming one ascending triangle, and you can see the apex of the triangle. This is in daily time frame. It looks like it is in 24th of Jan, but before that we'll be breaking. I'm expecting Jan, maybe Jan 1. You can see this will turn, in order for this to turn bullish. Then during the next alt season it will perform well, guys. I'm expecting this can happen soon, and this would be around January, the start of first week of January. So during New Year we can expect a huge alt season. That's a major thing. And if you are breaking upwards, the next target would be this one, the same thing. That would bring the price of Cardano to $0.23 from 0.17 to $0.23. That's a major thing. And in terms of resistance, we have to see, yep, this is the next resistance. You can see over here, this is the next resistance, that is $0.23. You can see over here that it will bring the price to the next resistance level, that is $0.23. I'm quite bullish on Cardano, and you can see it is forming. In terms of technically also I'm bullish. You can see over here it is forming an ascending triangle. We will be breaking this particular triangle soon, guys. So we'll be discussing about whether it is breaking or not in the later videos, but I'm quite bullish on Cardano. Let's see how the next Jan, that is the 2021, will be for Cardano. That's a major thing. And in terms of we have discussed lots of things in the previous videos, altcoin videos, but you can see I have missed one of the important coins from the top 10, which is XRP. So I'm not into XRP now, because we have seen there are main allegations going on, lawsuits going on. So in terms of XRP holders, this is the thing, guys. You can see over here, SEC files $1.3 billion lawsuit against XRP creator Ripple. So Ripple is a company, so it's a firm that has created XRP. So SEC files 1.3 billion lawsuit against the Ripple. So, and you can see over here, US Security Exchange and Commissions today filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, the company that had created the XRP, as well as the co-founder Kristen Larsen and incumbent CEO Brad Garlinghouse. So that's a major thing, and it's a news from SEC. You can see over here, we have been discussing in the Twitter account, their account, and this made this insane drop for XRP, guys. So that's why I have removed from this top list, because anything can happen. Maybe it can overcome also, because Ripple also can overcome, but they are mainly discussing certain issues in terms of having some, what to say, in terms of they are holding the price. That's the thing. In terms of any drops also, it looks like they are manipulating XRP's price in terms of having larger holdings of XRP, using the larger holdings of XRP. So it looks like that they are mainly focusing on that one, and that's a major thing. They are suing for the security problem. That's a major thing. So I'm not bullish on Ripple for now, because everything goes well, then you can have a look on it. And these one more thing you have to be aware is, this will lead to, what we can say is, this will lead other exchanges to delist XRP. So you can see over here, 3 exchanges have now stopped trading XRP. So this will continue, guys. If it is happening, this particular thing will continue, and more number of exchanges will delist XRP. So be cautious and be updatable on these issues. Where if you are an XRP back holders, you can see over here, this is one, they have stopped XRP, or this XRP trading, and you can see over here another exchange, BXC exchange, they have delisted XRP. So lots of exchange will soon make this particular thing. So they will be delisting one, halting the trading for XRP. Now they have halted, not the delisted. Now due to this, BXC have halted the trading for XRP. So XRP withdrawals will remain enabled until further notice. So withdrawals will be there, and you can see now they have halted the trading. So if all the exchanges are halting the trading, means how you will trade XRP and how will be changing to another currency. That's a major thing. So this is the first 3 has come now, and later we can expect lots of exchanges will be soon. They will be announcing these kind of announcements. So be careful, and if you're XRP holders, be careful. And what are the things to say? So be careful. And in terms of price, it had a huge dump, guys. That's a major thing. So you can see over here, it had a huge dump. So back to $0.29, $0.3. let's see how it goes and how the Ripple is going to tackle this particular situation. So that's a major thing. That's why I haven't took XRP in my top 5 picks in terms of from the large cap altcoins. So I didn't choose XRP because of this particular issue. So in terms of altcoins, Ethereum bullish, Litecoin I'm bullish in terms of Pumpermetal perspective, and Binance Coin I'm bullish in terms of exchange coin. This is one of the important exchange coin. Polkadot and Cardano. These are the major coins from the top 10 coins. There's a major picks from the top 10 coins, and these are the large cap altcoins. And we'll be discussing in another video the next large cap altcoins next to these ones, important altcoins. Then we'll be discussing some of the different niches projects in terms of altcoins and different ecosystem projects, and also we'll be discussing the micro cap altcoins that can perform more compared to the large cap altcoins. So that's all. Hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe to support this channel. I will see you guys in another video of Crypto with Crypto Mac. Until then, signing off, Crypto Mac. See you guys.